know that in our culture we have special family members that others don't have? In our culture and tradition, age commands respect. So if you have a brother that is much older than you, you would not just use the word for brother how. So you wouldn't call them hawe. You would use aya, and you will call them ayay. If instead you have a much older sister, instead of calling her hafte, you would use the word absha, and you will call her abshai. You could also use ayay and abshai to refer to people that you're not necessarily connected by blood, but that you consider as close as your brothers or sisters. So you're showing not only that you consider them close to you, but also that you respecting their age.
From now on, all of you youngins, put some respect on my name. I am not half day for you. I am abshai.
Learn Tigrinya on semikids.com.
Culture is cool.